Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well in this hard times. So it's been some time I haven't made a video, and it was due to so many things. I had few boxes and few products which I had to unbox and had to show you guys, but it's just been chaos. So anyways, this video is going to be about a Wi-Fi extender. So if you are suffering from poor Wi-Fi in your home, you have a couple of options. You have AV plugs. I made a video for that. You can check out in the description. You can go to my videos, and I'll put a link in the description as well, so you can have a look at that. Secondly, the option is that you can put a Wi-Fi mesh. Wi-Fi meshes are getting quite popular. You have from TpLink, you've got D-Link, you've got other companies. Price difference, performance, quality, yes, you can say. In this video, we are going to unbox a Wi-Fi mesh product, and it's from TpLink. They've sent it to me. They said to me, you try it out. I haven't tried it out, it's been some time, but let's get into the unboxing and let's check out how it looks like and what comes in the box. So guys, this is the box which they've sent me, so I'm going to quickly open it up and show you what comes in the box. So just for protection, they basically put it into a larger box. This is the product which we'll be unboxing. It's called DECO, and it comes with two Wi-Fi mesh pieces or devices, you can say. You can buy another mesh device just to extend this. The only difference is that the AV plug and a Wi-Fi mesh, the main difference would be that Wi-Fi AV plugs, they basically take the signal and they pass it through the electrical system of your home, whereas the Wi-Fi mesh networks, they basically repeat the signal. So that's one thing which you should consider. But the good thing is that you can do roaming with your device. If you're doing a WhatsApp call, you can literally go from one room to another and your call won't drop. Well, that's what they say. So it says over here on the box, Wi-Fi dead zone killer. It can connect to over 100 devices, and it's got enhanced 11 AC speeds. So AC is one of the bands of Wi-Fi, and it gives you some quite in-depth information on this side, technical information, which most people are not interested. What they're interested is that how much area does it cover. So it does say to you on the front, it covers 3,800 square feet or 350 meters square with these two devices. On the rear, they've given you a very nice picture which depicts if you have a home and how you can connect it. So let's get into the unboxing and let's check out what comes inside the box. So guys, this is the box, right? I've just showed you, and it says works with all broadband providers. Quite simple. Let's go ahead and open it up. The first impression is that the device is very handy, very small, shiny over here, matte on the top. You can fit it on the ceiling, you can put it anywhere, and it comes with two Ethernet ports, and this one also has two Ethernet ports. Now the purpose of this ports is that you can connect any of the port to your router by a patch cable, an RJ45 cable, and plug this into the power, and this should come on. And then you can scan this code, and then you can scan this this barcode over here and download the app. Now over here it does say to you if it's orange, so these are the lights which will blink. So if it's orange, it's startup. It's if it's blue, if it's pulsing blue, then it is ready for setup. If it is solid blue, then it is setup, and if it's green, then it's required to be registered, and then all is good. So you have orange, blue and green, sort of a traffic light system, and then you have red, which means that there's an issue. But to be honest, I have known people who have tried it out, and they've said that there has been no issue with these Wi-Fi mesh devices. Just to show you guys, that is the device, and it's got this perforation on the rear, and you have the serial number and so on. Over here you've got two ports, as I showed you. You can connect one of the port to your to your router, which would give the signal to this Wi-Fi mesh, and the second Wi-Fi mesh would literally pick it up from this device. So you can see it's so handy, it's really small, it fits in my sort of palm as well. So really neatly built device. And let's get into the box and see what else comes. Right, so you have a quick installation guide, which is quite handy if you want to read through it. And then you have a patch cable as well. So they've given a patch cable which you can connect from your router to one of the DECO devices, and that would basically fire it up. And then you have the power adapters. So they're white in color, very neatly built. They've got this flat cable, and they have got this plug which needs to be plugged into the Deco, so it'll just plug like that. Then you can also connect this patch cable over here, and that goes to the router. And over here you have the reset button. That is, my friends, the TpLink Wi-Fi mesh DECO unboxing. I hope you like this video. Now, I'm really sorry that I haven't done a test of it. To be honest, it works perfectly fine. Speeds would be theoretically the same as what you're getting from your router. So if you're planning to cover up your home with eliminating those dead spots, and you're fed up of the Wi-Fi plugs or the AV plugs, then go for the mesh network. This is a new product, it's pretty cool. Planning to buy this one, it's really small. It's called the TpLink Deco. So you can even add more of these discs to your network if you want to increase your network. All right, guys, before I wrap up this video, just want to tell you that I'm also doing a giveaway of this device. So do subscribe, like, and share, and I'll put a link in the description how you can enter into the giveaway. The way is that you just subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and hopefully your name will be submitted in the giveaway, and whoever will be the lucky winner will get this DECO device. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it went a bit long and it was not much of the setup thing, but thanks for watching. Really appreciate your time, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.